Namaskaram from 𝗘𝗺𝗹𝗹 Ayurveda Hospital, 𝗘𝗺̱𝗶𝗹. IBS, that is Irritable Bowel Syndrome, is one of the most common functional gastrointestinal tract dysfunction with a worldwide prevalence rate of 10 to 15%. IBS is usually a chronic disorder which needs to be addressed for a long time. The most common signs and symptoms of IBS include abdominal pain, cramps, bloating, gas and altered bowel movements, which means an episode of constipation followed by loose motions and which do not have a specific reasons for the onset. While the severe and chronic case of IBS include weight loss, bleeding per rectum, iron deficiency anemia, difficulty swallowing and unexplained vomiting and persistent abdominal pain which do not relieve even after passing bowels or motion. And also the increased frequency of bowel movements, which is usually seen as the urge to pass bowels soon after having food. So these are the chronic and severe signs and symptoms of IBS. Coming to the causes of IBS, the precise reason behind IBS is unknown. While there are so many postulations and clinical theorems that persist, which include muscle contractions, neurological disorder, severe infections, changes in the gut microbiome, and the most important, early life stress. Early life stress is the most common causes that we see in IBS in the clinicals. In Ayurveda, we identify and correct it in terms of Agni, Ahara and Vihara. Agni is the digestive system or the digestive process, while Ahara is the food which is going to be good to your gut, assessing and identifying the problems in the GIT, which is the gastrointestinal tract, and Vihara is the routines. As mentioned earlier, stress is the most important factor which causes IBS. So keeping your emotional stress under check is also one of the most important factor or the criteria that we consider while treating IBS. And in 𝗘𝗺𝗹𝗹, we identify, treat and manage IBS, and we have tailor-made IBS programs. So walk in, 𝗘𝗺𝗹𝗹 doctors are ready to treat you and gift you an IBS-free life. This is Dr. Chaithanya, Senior Medical Officer, 𝗘𝗺𝗹𝗹, Ayurveda Hospital, 𝗘𝗺̱𝗶𝗹. Thank you.